Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to crochet hearts like this. I made one foundation row with double crochets and now we will continue with pattern. Make chain 3, yarn over, go to first stitch and do first double crochet. Yarn over, go again in same stitch and do second double crochet. Skip 2 double crochets, go to third and do slip stitch. So yarn over, skip 2 double crochets, go to third and do first double crochet. In same loop, do second double crochet, then third, fourth, and fifth. Again, skip 2 loops, go to third and do slip stitch. Yarn over, skip 2 loops, go to third and do 5 double crochets in one loop. Then skip 2 and do slip stitch, and it looks like this now. Continue with pattern to end this row. First row is done. Now we start second row. Change yarn color. Do chain 1, yarn over, go to this slip stitch and here do 5 double crochets in same loop. This is first, second, then third, fourth, and fifth double crochet. Now we have these double crochets. Go to third and do slip stitch. Yarn over, again go to slip stitch and do 5 double crochets in same loop. On pattern on top, this row is in green color. Go to third double crochet from last row and do slip stitch. It looks like this now. Now repeat pattern to end this row. Second row is done. We start next row and it is in blue color on pattern on top. Do chain 1, yarn over, go on first double crochet from last row and do 1 double crochet. Go to next loop and do again double crochet. Then chain 1, go to third double crochet from last row and do slip stitch. Chain 1, yarn over, go to next loop and do double crochet. Then go in next loop and again do 1 double crochet. Chain 1 and on this slip stitch do 1 more slip stitch. Our first heart is done. Chain 1, on first double crochet from last row do 1 more double crochet. In the next loop do 1 double crochet, then chain 1 and on third double crochet do slip stitch. Chain 1, on next double crochet do 1 more double crochet and again 1 double crochet. Then chain 1 and on slip stitch do 1 more slip stitch. Second heart is done. Now continue with pattern. Our hearts are done. Next row we will continue with foundation color. This row is in orange on pattern on top. Do chain 1. Go to this slip stitch and here do 5 double crochets. This is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Yarn over, go to place where we have first slip stitch, pull through, yarn over, go to same place, pull through. Now we have 5 loops on hook, yarn over, and pull through all loops on the hook. Yarn over, go to this slip stitch, and here do 5 double crochets. Then again, yarn over, again go to this place, pull through, yarn over, go on same place, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all loops on the hook. Go to slip stitch and do again 5 double crochets. Then continue to repeat pattern. I made one more row, so I repeat this first row. You can continue to do hearts on this loop. So you can here do 5 double crochets and continue to do hearts. If you like this video, click like, subscribe on my channel and do not miss my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.